Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. We're going to be doing a length check. I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my ends because I hate going to places and they claim that they do natural hair and then all of a sudden all of your hair is gone. Yeah, I'm not about that life. So where I live currently, there's not a lot of places I can go to cut my hair. You don't see a lot of black. Actually, you don't see any at all. I think if I have seen one, it's like maybe one. As of right now, I'm the one that's cutting my hair. So if you'd like to see how I trim my hair, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the video. All right, I'm starting off on freshly conditioned, pre-poo, no pooed hair. So my friend introduced me to these bad boys. I've never used them before. You can get them out of Winners, which is like Burlington Coat Factory type vibe. So the leave-in conditioner was about $8 and the co-wash, which is like a no poo, is $6, which is really good. Today we're also going to be doing a length check because it's been a while since I've actually seen how long my hair is since my last trim. Guys, when I say trim, I don't mean like all hair, right? Like I mean like a little trim. You know what I mean? Like, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it anyway. I've also stretched out my hair. I do have a video on how I stretch out my hair on my channel using a blow dryer. It's very simple. You just take your hair when it's wet actually and give it some tension and just blow the blow dryer like at a safe distance from your hair, and then it eventually gets straighter and straighter. Also, I've been to the gym and my roots are a little bit frizzy, so I am going to actually blow dry my hair a little bit more so that everything is a little bit straighter because our girl sweats in her head when she goes to the gym. So this is what my hair length is right now. It is definitely past, I'm like on my tippy toes, definitely past boob length, and we're going to be cutting off, I don't know, inches and all that stuff. So I'm going to be cutting off maybe around this much, like not a lot, because again, I'm not a professional and I need my hair. When I blow dry my hair, regardless to whatever it is that I'm doing, I like to use this heat protected. Heat protected is really good for your hair. It puts on a nice little film on your hair, and then that film acts as a barrier between the heat and your hair. Alright y'all, while editing this, I didn't realize, like I didn't know what the hell I was saying, but you're gonna need this, a brush at least, or a big tooth comb, or a Demon brush, or an easy detangle brush, and a blow dryer with a comb. It doesn't even have to be a comb, but this will allow my hair to be a little bit more stretched out. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush out my hair lightly. I have a better tip, or I found out a better way of doing this later down, so watch to the end of this video. And I'm just smoothing out my hair before the blow dryer. Now I'm gonna set my blow dryer to, what's that? Low and medium heat, low speed, medium heat, and just blow dry my hair, making sure to kind of get the teeth in there. Again, all we're doing is making sure that my hair is as smooth as possible, not trying to stretch it out too much. I'm gonna take my scissors next and then kind of run my hand along here. You can see like the straggle ends right here, and then cut that. Come back, kind of judge it, and then like make sure it's a little even. Like if I went to a salon, I'm sure they'd cut like up to here. But bitch, you got time for that. But I don't got time for that. And yeah, that's basically how I cut my hair. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the rest of my hair, and when I get to the top, I'll show you guys more close up and in person. Alright y'all, so I've gone ahead and finished most of my hair. I only have this section and this section to go. I have figured out a quicker way of doing this, or a better way of doing it that reduces the amount of hair loss that I get, or reduces the amount of hair that I break off and all that jazz. So what I have been doing is just going in small sections, of course. Alright, so I'm just gonna tuck this all away, and then I put some leave-in conditioner spray, just a little bit of it, on my hair. The reason why I do this now is because it gives the comb or brush more slip so that it's not tugging on my dry ass hair. So then when I comb out or brush out, I start from the ends and make my way to the top. So it is a lot quicker, a lot easier. And it doesn't yank my hair out. Also, the key is to always hold the base of your hair while the brush or comb is going down. Also too, please don't do this too often. Like, again, the less your hair is being manipulated, the better it is for you and the longer your hair will be. So now after I've done that, again, put the blow dryer on low speed and medium heat. Alright, now, so after that, I take my 2 fingers here and pinch my hair and just kind of glide it down to an area where I feel like my hair is really sparse. Then I take my scissors and pull it down a little bit more so that's a lot and my scissors, and then just cut all that shit off. And this is what it looks like. Yeah guys, that's how I cut my hair. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. Again, another, like, a hairdresser would have cut more, but honestly, this is exactly how I wanted it to be. Like, it used to be really straggly. I am in love with it. Like, I did a good job. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Like, there's no place for me here to really go and like do my hair or go to somewhere that is hair conscious or natural hair conscious or natural hair conscious. So if you'd like to see what I do to cut my hair, please keep on watching. So if you'd like to see how I cut my hair. Alright, so I've taken this, okay. I have parted my hair out in these little small sections. And then that film axis, what is axis? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do most of my hair, then I'll show you guys close. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and then show you guys more close up when I get to the top. I can't speak. Alright, also I've gone ahead and done